Hello my babies, welcome back. Happy Halloween. We are back with Pretty Ree, and today for Halloween I am Storm. So we are kind of, I wouldn't say we're in a rush, but because we are winging it, we're gonna try something new. Alright, so I have tried the eyebrows before. They did come out super cute. They don't have to be perfect because we are cleaning it up with our concealer and our foundation. We did just record a video with my bestie who's just came back in town. And we got her ready for a concert, my girl. So I will put that on my page, my Instagram page. Yeah, and we'll get a tutorial. So I switched to a smaller pencil. We'll go back to the jumbo one in a few. And we are going to use a white eyeshadow in the front. I'm just trying to pack it on right now, because these eyebrows are a little dark. Okay. And then once we get that all on one page, we're going to pat it down with the with any white eyeshadow. It doesn't really matter as long as it's white. And we're gonna be Storm. My boyfriend's gonna be Wolverine, and we are going to a haunted house. And I am excited / nervous because I normally don't do those, but you know, hey, something different than bar hopping. Now I did do that last week with the girls. I was Lola Bunny. I should have recorded it, but you know, I was planning honestly to be a Bratz doll for Halloween, but it didn't really fit like the way it was supposed to. Oh my gosh, the outfit would have been so cute. And once again, we are not being perfectionists. We're just getting the color down right now, and the shape will come when we use our concealer and our foundation to clean up. I'm just patting this on there. I'm just taking more to the front because we're gonna try to blend it with our foundation. We're just brightening it on here. We're packing it. You don't really need a spoolie, honestly, because the first time I did it, I just used this. But I was trying to get my hair all in one direction. You know, my brain is fried. When I tell you I've been preparing all day today for this. I did an install. I had to go to the store. I just hot glue gun my X-Men symbol for my belt. Oh, it's so cute. I might, if my video's not too long, I'm gonna show y'all. I got these boots and I got a black jumpsuit. Obviously, I got this wig. It was, of course, a 613. And I used a purple shimmer to get it this way. I could have went lighter, but yeah, I didn't want to look too crazy. Okay, and so I have my pure beige, and we're just gonna clean it. I see some people, they said go darker under the eyebrow when you do like blonde, so maybe it's still the same thing if you want. I did it with my normal routine of how I clean up my eyebrows, and I think they still look good. So it's just a preference of how you want to do it. I'm just making it more gradient. Gotta see my actual eyebrow color trying to peek out. She wants to be a star so bad. I might clean up the eyebrow underwards again, because I'm just a perfectionist, and I just really want it to look nice. Like the first time I did it, oh, she was fabulous. She was fabulous. This is fabulous too, but the first time, ooh wee, she was something serious. It's giving. Okay. After what? 10 layers of white powder, we're good. So I'm just going to keep it simple. I'm just going to put some brown on there because the main focus really is the white lashes that I got. I'm probably going to stack them. So of course we know I like to go into this orange as my first color. I might go a little bit darker towards the crease. Give it a little depth since I'm not doing too much for my eyes. And honestly, the wig surprisingly came out super good. I mean, not surprisingly, but like I was really worried about how white it was gonna come out. Like I wanted it to come out wider, but since it was like my first time doing it, I was like, it's close enough. Like seeing the white now on my eyebrows compared to the hair. Obviously one's more bold than the other, but I like it. We get it. You're Storm Girl. Like that's all they need to get across. So we're just really putting that orange in there. And you wouldn't believe my luck. Like literally, I kid you not. I had like the worst food poisoning. It was so random. Like I had to take off work. And then on the way home, it was a disaster. The day that happened was like what, Friday? Because that following day we had a girls' night. And it was like trying to wrap it up. So like it stopped like, oh my gosh, that might be too much information. Basically, I could go outside. So I went outside, and when I went outside for girls' night, I got sick for real. So I think I got like a cold or flu or something, so that was trying to run its course. My mom was like, "You trying to be cute, and you got sick." But look at me now. Look at me now, mama. Your diva is set to go outside again. So we're gonna go into this one. That's a sneeze. Okay, I'm popping that in, babe. I'm getting that in there. Now, you've seen your girl do this before, so I might speed this up. Probably not. But I'm not gonna have to talk too much through this. I'm just let you enjoy the process. Same color, by the way. And because I have hooded eyes, I'm like sitting it like right there. People that have hooded eyes, just look straight forward. Because if you do it with like this or like this, when you open it, it's just gonna be that extra skin fold and it's not gonna be nothing there. So just look straight ahead. You know, we love to and all this, but if you got hooded eyes, girl, just look straight ahead. And I'll just take it all the way out because we know we're gonna sharpen it with concealer. Then the next one, where I'm getting that in there. Now I'm just looking down because I don't want it to mess up all this cuteness I did up there. Actually, let's do it that way. Genius. I'm gonna be dressed in his little wife beater, trying to be cute. Probably some boots on. I was messing with him the other day. Like, you got your starch pants ready? My baby about to be clean. I didn't show him what I look like yet. I always love a dramatic entrance. Kind of like a oh, look at me moment. Ooh. Something about a brush just feels so good. I'm just gonna blend that out. It feels like that feeling when you put like a Q-tip in your ear. Is that weird? Yeah. See, I barely got an eyelid. I'm just gonna pop in like one that's close to my skin tone or your skin tone. Oh, gotta like. I just posted my bestie's makeup. I don't expect y'all to know or see it right now. Be cute, just put it in there. I don't know, about y'all, but I'm not too big into scary movies. I hear the news talking about it now, like the Chainsaw Massacre thing. I just feel like Halloween is really just a fashion show. I don't care for the spirits and all that. I grew up having Halloween. I didn't do all that, but just dressing up and going out with the girls sound good to me. All right, babies. So now we're doing the power grip. Now, why wouldn't a show like this one? I'm so excited about it. I mean, been getting scared. I'm not excited for that part, but going out with my babe, knowing that he gonna do stuff like this. In the pictures, like I keep telling him that like, every day we talk. I'm like, I'm so excited for tonight. I'm so excited for Halloween. I can't wait. I can't wait to show him. He doesn't even know I'm doing this. He just thinks I'm doing my friend's makeup. I mean, I did do it, but we are now moving on to this. I already put my lip balm on, ladies. You know we don't do crusty lips over here. Got our beauty blend. What? Our beauty blender damp. We're about to put it on our face. Alright, let's clean that up. Let's make her sharp. Alright, I didn't realize I was not recording, so I went ahead and put the contour stuff down. And we're gonna use the foundation side, and we're just gonna go upward. Turning it to the foundation side. If you don't know what that is, we're gonna ignore that. Okay, let's get a nose job. Here we go. And on the clean side, down the middle, we're just putting this all together. I've been CVS, I've been up with putting the wig on, doing the wig cap method, makeup brushes, and friends makeup, and my makeup. I got everything laid out to put on at least after that, and then that'll be it. It'll be cute. I hate that it rained today though, but I'm still gonna have a good time. Ain't nobody raining on my parade. And we're gonna do blush today. Like a little bit more blush because I want it to look kind of rosy, or at least be visible. It doesn't have to be super rosy, but I do want it to be seen. Alright, so now we're just gonna put some banana powder. My baby's dreaming. Okay, and we got the same bronzer. We're just cleaning up the nose a bit. And we're gonna take it into the eyeshadow as well. We're just giving it a little button. And on the top, of course. Hang with me, y'all. Bear with me. Cut layers in it. So my boyfriend said we're doing a haunted house. And then for the haunted house, I'm like, well, if I'm running, I'm not sweating on my curls. But then for some reason today it decided to rain. And now it's humid. It's like, can't win. And if you haven't learned by now, I am not very specific about brushes because whoever gets the job done is whoever's gonna get used. If you want, it doesn't really matter. And it just looks like this because it's on the lace, so it's not that I didn't blend it, it's just obviously it's on my lace and I should have made sure it was covered. I thought I was recording. So we were putting it down here. We started off with this one. We moved to the second one. We're going closer and closer to the eye because the bottom lashes will be white as well. So we just want to add something behind it, you know. So I'm sorry, I thought I was recording my babies. We're just still going in with that second color I showed you. And back to this one. That last one. Put it closest to the inside. And we're gonna put that mascara on, girl. Alright. And the last little bit here. I'll blend that out some more. A little glitter. I'm tapping that on my skin before we, like on the palm, before I put that up there, because we don't want a streak. Right after. This is a brand thing that I got. I don't really care how it looks too much. So honestly, I played around with it a little bit. I think I'm gonna keep my natural eyelashes white instead of adding it on. And boom, this is what we got. Lightning goodness. We are Storm. And then I will try to attach what we look like when we're hitting the streets. And we don't need a lip combo. We just need gloss because there's a lot going on up here. So yeah, be safe. Happy Halloween. Like and subscribe. Mwah! And I'll see you again.